In this video, you will learn about the concept of pull requirement in FlexSim. When you control the material flow using pull requirement, a downstream object pulls flow items when it is taking a flow item from an upstream object, which means the downstream object controls the flow. Let's go through the problem description here. In a manufacturing plant, two types of products are produced and need to undergo quality inspection after production. The mix of products is 40% of product 1 and 60% of product 2. The arrival of products for inspection follows an exponential distribution with a mean inter-arrival time of 30 seconds. Product 1 can be inspected at 2 inspection stations. Product 2 can be inspected at 3 inspection stations. Products are sent to the first available inspection station for their respective type. The inspection time for both types of products is uniformly distributed between 120 and 150 seconds. Let's build this model. Drag and drop a source, sink, Q and 5 processors. Connect the objects. Modify the inter-arrival time to exponential distribution with a mean value of 30 seconds. Add an on-exit trigger to the source and select Set Item Label and Color. In the value field, use Bernoulli distribution to create a mix of 40% of product 1 and 60% of product 2. Now moving on to the processor properties. Click on the first processor. Go to the Input tab, check the pull requirement. Pull strategy we will keep as any port. And pull requirement will be specific label. When we do this setting, the machine will pull only parts that matches the pull requirement label specified, enabling us to model the system described in the problem definition. Do this setting for all the machines. Pull requirement value is 1 for the first 2 machines and 2 for the last 3 machines. Add the uniform distribution as process time for the machines. Now run the model and see how it is behaving. Thanks for watching.